Hi guys, I know you all are sitting at home. Some are feeling bored, some having sweet tooth, and some of you might be wondering how to celebrate this birthday or the upcoming anniversary. I'm here to help you. Let's see how to make Rava pudding. Grease a vessel with ample amount of ghee or oil. In a hurry, we might forget to do this, so prepare this ahead. Take a kadai, add 1/4 cup of sugar and melt the sugar. Stir in between. The sugar has started to melt. Keep stirring. This might take hardly 5 minutes. We are making caramel syrup. So if at all it tasted bitter, means that you have burnt it. So make sure you switch off the stove at the right time. Now the sugar has dissolved and the brownish color has appeared. Switch off the stove now. This is the right time to switch off. Now let's pour the caramel syrup into the greased pan. Now let's take the same kadai in which we made the caramel. Don't wash it as the caramel will be left behind. We can use it for a pudding. I have added 1.5 cup of milk and stirring it well so that the caramel in the pan would have melted. Now adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. Meanwhile, I have taken 1/4 cup of sugar with 1 cardamom and powdering it. So this is a fine powder. I'm adding it to the milk. Keep stirring. I'm taking 1/4 cup of rava. Just 1 or 2 beat. Don't make it a fine powder. After beating in the mixie, add it to the milk. Keep stirring while adding. The consistency is getting thicker. Switch off the stove now. This is the right consistency. Take a big vessel, break an egg into it. Beat well with a fork. Add the rava to the egg and mix it well. After mixing everything well, Let's pour this into the caramel coated vessel. By the way, if you have vanilla essence, you can add 2-3 drops to it. It will taste good. Shake it to avoid air bubbles. Take a cooker with some water in it. Do not place the pudding mixture directly inside the cooker. Also make sure the pudding mixture is closed with a lid. Keep it in low flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes in low flame, let's check our pudding. Take this lid off carefully, make sure the water doesn't go inside the pudding. Let's check if our pudding has cooked well with a knife. The knife has come out clean, so it's cooked well. If there is some sticking in the knife, you have to recook. Take the vessel out of the cooker and keep it for cooling. Once the pudding is cold, you can take it out like this. But make sure it's cold, else it may break. Now that our Rava pudding is ready, let's celebrate our birthdays, upcoming anniversaries happily. Check for the softness, guys. Oh my god. That's how I like to tempt you. Come on, try it home, guys. Thanks for watching. Spend 21 days of quarantine happily without missing any celebrations.